product we launched to the market from our own design is Salvador Delicious. It's a salad dressing we were making for years for ourselves. It was always on the counter. People loved it. We thought, well, we have a channel to market. Why don't we make it in bulk in an industrial kitchen, commercial kitchen? And that's indeed what we did. It's a magnificent, flavoured and different style of salad dressing. I was saying earlier today, the last 2 orders we got on the internet, they ordered 6 bottles each. Because they just liked it so much, and they were reorders from someone. So it's a great product. Only 2 things we ask. One is that you shake it vigorously before each use, and the other is that you do try the recipe on the side of the bottle, which is just lettuce, tomato, cucumber, avocado, mango and freshly toasted slivered almonds with Salvador Delicious. It's so thick you can also use it as a sauce. My son has it on chicken wings. It's a beautiful flavour. Try it. I'm absolutely confident you'll love it.